Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny. This is Simple Drinks. Martinis, all kinds of them. Various different recipes all over the world. But today we're focusing on just one. Limoncello Martini. It's simple to make, 3 ingredients only. So without further ado, let's make a Limoncello Martini. So the first ingredient is vodka, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Followed by 45 ml, 1.5 ounce of your preferred lemon liqueur. Now we need some fresh lemon juice. $20 ml. Perfect. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Like always. It smells like lemon. Now we need a chilled martini glass. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our chilled martini glass. Now we need a lemon zest. Squeeze it, express the oils, give a little touch, and just drop it in. That's it, ladies and gents, Limoncello Martini. Cheers! What can I say? It's lemon. It's really citrusy. You can taste just a little bit of vodka, not too much, and it's quite refreshing. Yeah, if you like citrus drinks, if you like anything with lemon, this is excellent, excellent. But be careful, there's a lot of alcohol in it, so it could trick you. So, watch out. That's it, ladies and gents, we made a Limoncello Martini. Real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. Citrusy, fruity, refreshing, strong. Take care. And there's another quick and easy recipe for you. Try it, let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.